Class 9 children, welcome to today's online class. So today we will be learning a new chapter, chapter 6, indices. The other name of the same chapter is exponents. So this chapter you have learned in the previous classes also, but this time in class 9 little bit you will find some advanced questions, but the concept is same. So let us begin this chapter, children. So before I begin this chapter, you have to understand few of the very important formulas of this chapter. And the formula number 1 here I have written x to the power m multiplied with x to the power n. The result is x to the power m plus n. The meaning of this is when x is having power m and the same x is having power n, then both the power gets added. For example, I want to just give you one rough work here. Suppose x to the power 3 multiplying with same x but the power is 2. Then what is our answer? Our answer is x to the power 5. So how we got this 5? We both the x we write the same here, and this 3 plus 2 we add and make it 5. Same thing here. M and n, the power got added. So same thing here. Next, xy the whole to the power n. So when there is bracket used and there is single power on the top, then what we have to understand, children, that this power belongs to both the variables. So this power n belongs to x as well as to y. That's why you can see here x to the power n, y to the power n. So this bracket has opened and the power is given to both the variable. For example, I have xy and the power is 2. Suppose xy is having power 2, the whole is square. Then if I open the bracket, my result is x is square, y is square. That means the power is given to both the variable. Same thing. Now moving on to the formula number 3. Minus x power 4 and here minus x power cube. So you can see this is even power, this is odd power. Even, odd, you know, the numbers which can be which is divisible by 2 is even number, and the number which is not divisible by 2, they are odd numbers. So 4 is even number, 3 is odd, and the interior variable has got minus symbol. You can see it has got minus symbol. That means x is having minus symbol, x is having minus symbol here. Now you can see the result is x power 4, minus is missing, and here the result is x cube but minus still exists. Now what is the meaning of this? I will tell you that whenever a minus variable is having even power, the power remains same but the minus number vanishes. But if the power is odd, the minus symbol will still exist. For example, why it happens so? Suppose I have minus 3 square. Then you know what is the meaning of minus 3 square? That means multiply minus 3 2 times. Multiply minus 3 2 times. Square means multiplying 2 times. Now what happens? This minus into minus. Minus multiplying 2 times becomes plus, and 3 3s is 9. And normally plus number we don't write plus because writing 9 also is a plus 9. So even if I have power 4 here, power 4 means 4 times, and if minus is multiplied 4 times, the result is plus. Minus multiplying 4 times, result is plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus is plus. That means a minus number having even power, the minus becomes plus. But in case of odd, suppose minus 3 to the power, suppose 3, that means it is odd power. So the meaning of this is minus 3 we need to multiply 3 times. Power 3 means 3 times. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. But the minus will still exist. How? Minus into minus is plus, but plus into minus is minus. That means the minus still exists. So same thing I wrote here, children. For even power, the minus vanished, but for the odd power, minus still exists. Next, fractional number x by y to the power n. Then this power, the way here both the variable got power, here also both the variable will get power. The result will be x to the power n y to the power n. Just like this. Suppose I have x by y whole square. Then I can open the bracket and I can write x square by y square. So it is same thing written here in the form of formula. Okay, x to the power m, again bracket close, to the power n. So there are two power. One is interior power, one is exterior power. Internal power and external power. In this case, you write same x here and both the power you can multiply. That is m into n, that is mn. That means just like this. Suppose I have x square and then to the power cube. So there are two power. Then our result is x power 6. That means 2 3s are 6. Interior power and exterior power, they multiply. So that is what I wrote here, children. So this is also done. Next, x to the power m and same x in the fraction denominator, x to the power n. So both x same, but one on the numerator, one on the denominator, and power is different. So what you have to do, both the x you write single x and power you subtract. The numerator power and denominator power you can subtract. This is our result. Very simple. Suppose I have x to the power 4 here and here I have x to the power square. Then what I can do, both the x you write single and subtract the power 4 minus 2. This 4 and this 2 you subtract, our result is x square. That means normally what we do, we simplify and this here we write and the same result we get. So that means how the result comes, actually the power at the top and the power at the below, they subtract and the final result we get. So this is what, very simple, children. Next, come to formula number 7. Anything to the power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Meaning is, let it be any number. Suppose you write 15 and power is 0. The result is 1. So any number having power 0, result is 1. Next, 8 number. X to the power minus m. This time, first time in this formula list, the power is negative. Number was negative, that is different, but here the power is negative. So when power is negative, our first target should be make the power positive. So how to make power positive? What you do, you write 1 by x to the power m. That means below x there is nothing here. Below x there is nothing here, means there is 1. So what you do, you take this 1 to the top and bring this x down. That means you interchange numerator and denominator. Then what happens? The numerator which will come at the denominator, the power will become positive. That means to make the power positive at the numerator, if the power is negative at the numerator, then to make it positive power, what you do, you bring that numerator number to the denominator and then your power will become positive. For example, I have x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2 I have, and I want to make it positive power. Then you can do 1 by x square. That means below this there is 1. Take this 1 to the top, bring this x here, and this minus will become plus and it will become square, plus square. So this is one very important. Another same type, suppose 1 by x power minus m. Suppose there is minus power at the denominator, then I have to make this positive power. That time what you do, just take this denominator to the numerator and bring the numerator to the denominator, and your result will be x power m. Actually by 1, there is by 1 here below this, but 1 we don't write, so that's why our result will be x to the power m. Suppose same thing I write here, 1 by x to the power minus 2. So minus 2 at the denominator, to make it positive I will write x square. Actually below this will be by 1, but by 1 we don't write, so our result is x square. Now moving on to the last formula. If you see root over in any number, in any variable in this chapter, what you can do to remove this root over, what you do, you write x to the power 1 by 2. When you write power 1 by 2, power fraction, that is 1 by 2, the square root vanishes. The square root is removed. For example, you have root over 3 and you want to remove this root over from here. You can write 3 to the power 1 by 2, and when you do this, the root over is removed. But if you have root 4, then don't apply this formula. Root 4 is actually 2. So the known values, the known root over, you write the value, but for the unknown one, you can do this way. Next, this is cube root. This was square root, so you did 1 by 2. But for cube root, you need to write 1 by 3. That means when there is 3 here, it is cube root, so write x to the power 1 by 3. So now applying these formulas, children, I will do some questions for you and then you practice this question. So children, here I have 2 questions for you. This is first question, this is my second question. So using those formulas, I will be now solving or evaluating these questions. So here I have my first question, 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3. So now what I had said in the formula, anything to the power 0. Power 0 means it is 1. So 5 power 0 will be equal to 1. Multiplied 4 to the power minus 1. Just few moments ago I said that if you have minus power, your first duty is to make it positive power, and to make it positive power, what you do, you interchange the numerator and denominator. So you have below 4 there is 1 denominator, so 1 I wrote at the top and 4 you bring down. Now your negative power will become positive, so minus 1 became now positive power. So this is 4 to the power 1 plus, now here we have 8 to the power 1 by 3. When there is fractional power, one technique you have to follow. If it is not a fraction power, suppose it is 8 to the power 3, 8 cube, then you multiply 8 into 8 into 8 3 times. But when there is fraction power, you cannot multiply that way because fraction is a different number. So in this case what you do, you know here you have 3 and you also know that 8 is the cube of 2. So what you do, looking at this 3, you decide for this number. Here there is 3, so you try to bring 3 with this number also. And to bring 3 with this 8, what you do, you write 2 here. So you write 2 here and you write 2 cube, because 2 cube is 8. And then the exterior power is 1 by 3, that you write here. So very simple, 8 became 2 cube and this power is as it is 1 by 3. Now you might be saying, sir, why you wrote 2 cube? Because I want to remove this 3 with this 3. That means this both 3 will cancel. Now only what will remain? 2 to the power 1. So now our result here is 1 into 1 by 4. Anything power 1 is same number. So 4 power 1 is 4 only. And plus here you have 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2 only, because 3 got cancelled. 2 power 1 result is 2. Now according to the BODMAS rule, it is said first you multiply, then you add. So multiplying 1 by 4 with 1, result will be 1 by 4. Anything multiplying with 1 is same number, plus 2. Now you have to do LCM for addition, because 1 is fractional number, 1 is non-fractional number. It is a normal number. Now in that case, because of this fraction number, you have to add by doing LCM. So 4 ones are 4. How many ja? 1 ja. So that 1 1 ja is 1. 1 1 ja is 1. Now below this there is actually 1. So 1 4 ja 4. 4 ja 4 times. 4 2 ja 8. So our final result is 9 by 4. You can write 9 by 4 also, and if you want to divide, then our result will be 2 whole 1 by 4. That is, you can divide in the rough and you will get this result 2 whole 1 by 4. So this is our final answer. But if somebody will leave your answer here, this is also correct answer. Now moving on to the second question. So here you can see so many things. Minus power, there is negative power, and there is also cube root, because there is 3 here, means it is cube root. So your duty is to remove cube root, as well as your duty is to remove minus power also. So what I will do, first I will remove minus power. That means first I will make minus power to a positive power, then I will remove the cube root. So I am writing cube root now same, and here I will be writing 1 by 64 to the power 4. That means the negative power I made positive power by interchanging numerator and denominator, because below this there is 1. Same thing here, you can put multiplication or dot here, because there is nothing, means there is multiplication. And here also same thing, 1 by 125 to the power 2, because negative power will become now positive power. Next you can do one thing, you make this cube root as fraction of 1 by 3 and remove the root over. So I am going to remove the root over, and my result will be 1 by 64 to the power 4 into 1 by 125 to the power square, and bracket close. And for removing the cube root, just few moments ago I said I can write 1 by 3. So cube root when I remove, I can write power as 1 by 3. So now children, your root over and cube root is vanished and it has become 1 by 3. Now so simple children, here only I said when you see fraction power 1 by 3, look at the denominator and bring the same 3 from the interior number. Now what you do, look at this 3. Look at this 3 and you can see 64 is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s is 64. And 125 is the cube of 5. So 64 is cube of 4 and 125 is cube of 5. So that means we are getting 3 from these two numbers. So what you do to finish this 1 by 3, you target of that making it cube number. So to make it a cube number, what I am going to do now, I am going to write 1 by 64. I will not write, but I will write 4 cube. I will write 4 cube and I have the exterior power as 4. And here I will write 1 by 5 cube and the exterior power is 2. The exterior power is already 2 and 125 became 5 cube. And here I have 1 by 3. Now what I will do, this both the 3 power I will take it outside. I will take it outside and I will finish this 3. So my next duty will be, I will write 1 by 4 power 4. That means I am not writing this 3. This 3 I will take outside actually to cancel with this 3. And here also I will write only 1 by 5 square. That means I will not write this 3. So both the 3 will come common and it will come here outside as a power. So here I will close the bracket and this both 3 will come here outside and I can write 1 by 3, because even if this cube is 1, cube also is 1 only, 1 cube also is 1. So by writing this 3, what happens, this value of 1 is not changed, as well as this 3 also came out. Now you see the number is becoming very small and small. Now this 3 will cancel, only power 1 will remain outside. And just now I said power 1 means actually the number is same. That means with this power the interior number is same. Now I can write, now no need to use this bracket, now you can write 1 by 4 to the power 4. Now I am just erasing this side and doing some rough work. Now what is the meaning of 4 power 4? 4 power 4, the meaning of this is multiply 4 times. So multiplying 4 times. 4 4s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. 256. So 4 power 4 is 256. And 1 by 5 square. 5 square is 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 square. So now my result will be 1 by 1 1s are 1, and 256 and 25 you multiply in the rough. 256 and 25 you can multipy in the rough, and your answer will be 6400. You multiply this in the rough, your result is 6400. This is our final answer. So welcome to today's online class. So today I have come with a new question. So let us try to find the solution of this question. So here I have a question, children. Evaluate. So question number 1 is 64 by 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. So yesterday in my last video only I have told that whenever there is minus power, we'll try to make it positive. And to make it positive, what happens? The numerator goes down and the denominator comes up. And when you interchange numerator and denominator, the minus power becomes plus. So that we have to do here. Here we have a division symbol. As you all know, in the lower classes you have learned, when there is division symbol and if you put multiplication, when we make it multiplication, the denominator part will become numerator and the numerator part will become denominator. That is also a very important crucial thing. Plus root 25 and cube root of 64, but to the power 0. So you see so many things given inside, but power 0. Anything power 0 is actually 1. So just to confuse you that they have given all this critical part inside the bracket, but the result is 1. So let us try to solve this question. So first of all, I am going to make this power positive. So to make this power positive, I am changing numerator and denominator. So I have changed here and my result will be now 2 by 3. So power will be same 2 by 3, but only positive, that negative power will become positive power. That is only the matter here. And here what you do, you put this division as multiplication. So the denominator part will become numerator. So denominator part is 256 by 625. This is our denominator, this everything, to the power 1 by 4. So same denominator I wrote at the top numerator, and the numerator you make it denominator. So this all happened due to this division has become multiplication. That is a rule that we have learned in the lower classes as well. And anything power 0 is so simple, 1. Nothing to think about the inside number, it's just 1. Now, yesterday also in my last video also I have told you, if I have fractional power, then look at the denominator of the power. What is the denominator of the power? 3. 3 means cube. So you think 125 is cube of which number? And 64 is cube of which number? So 125 is cube of 5 and 64 is cube of 4. So to remove this denominator in the fraction power, you will have to make it cube. So you write 5 by 4 whole cube. That means 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64. Meaning is not changed, same thing, only the form has changed. It has become a cube form and into 2 by 3 our power. So by doing this, what happened? The benefit 3 got cancelled and only now 2 remains and fraction is removed. Now same multiplication you put here. Now you all know, children, 1 at the denominator has no value. So now we will not write 1, only we will write the upper part. So what do we have in the upper part? We have 256 by 625. Now you can see the power is what? Fraction 1 by 4. So now you look at this 4. The denominator of the power, you see that is 4. Now 256 will become power 4 of what? That you have to think. And 625 will become power 4 of what number? So very simple, children. To know that 256 is power 4 of which number, you can take a help like this. 256 you do like this. Please factorize with a prime number. Prime number means a number which is divisible by itself and 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are the prime numbers. So you begin with 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So you write 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are. Further with 2, 2 6s are 2 4s are. Again with 2, 2 3s are 2 2s are. 2 again 16. So this is so simple. And now you can see how many 2s we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 2s and I need power 4. So what you make it 4 group. So when we make 4 group, this is first group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. Why I am making 4 groups? Because I need this number in the power form of 4. Because to remove this 4, I need power 4. So I can see first group, second group, third group, fourth group. So each group has 2 2s are 4. That means 256 is the 4 power 4 and 625 is the power 4 of 5. That you can do in the same way. What you do, you write 625 and then you factorize this way. You will get 4 by 5 power 4. That means 625 is the power 4 of 5 and 256 is the power 4 of 4 itself. And at the top, what do we have? At the top we have into 1 by 4 and now plus 1 here. So to cancel this 4 and 4, all this rough work we had to do. So very important, looking at the fraction power, the denominator part, you have to decide the internal numbers power. Now you can see here, what does it remain? Here only 5 by 4 and square remains. This is square only remaining here. And multiplication, here only power 1 remains. Power 1 remains means it is 4 by 5 itself, because anything power 1 is same number. And here what remains? Plus 1. Next, 5 square is very easy, 25. 4 square is 16 into 4 by 5 plus 1. So according to the BODMAS rule, children, first we have to multiply, then only we can add. So you multiply this. So while multiplying, you can see something is getting cancelled here. 4 and 4. This is 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are. And this 5 also is getting cancelled with 25. So I can see 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4. My result is 5 by 4 and here my result is only plus 1. So this is plus 1. Now we have to do LCM and we have to add them. Why we have to do LCM? So simple, children. It is said, when there is one fraction number and let the other number be not a fraction, let it be a perfect number, but because of this fraction, the addition or subtraction should be done with the help of LCM. So I will do LCM. So LCM of this 4 and below this 1 there is 1. LCM of 4 and the 1 here is 4 itself. And now this 4 1s are 4. How many is a 1s are? That 1 will multiply with 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Plus below this 1 there is 1. 1 4s are 4. So how many is a 4s are? That 4 will multiply with this one. 4 1s are 4. So my result is 9 by 4. I can write my answer here, or even I can simplify further and I can write it in a mixed fraction. Then 2 whole 1 by 4. This is also correct. Both are correct. So children, so simple, but you have to practice again and again, then you will become perfect. I hope you understood. Thank you, children. So today again I have come up with a new question. So let us try to find the solution of this question. So here I have a question. So you need to evaluate, and of course the question is 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So again here we have minus power. So we'll try to make it plus power, positive power, by interchanging numerator and denominator. And here we have minus 3 is multiplying with 8 to the power 2 by 3. So fractional power. So we will look at this 3 and we'll decide that 8 is the cube of 2. So that way we have to do, and anything to the power 0 is 1. Any number having power 0 is 1. And 9 by 16, but power is minus. So again here also we'll try to make it a positive power. So let us begin this question, children. So equal to, so first of all I will try to make it a positive power. So 1 by 4 interchanging numerator denominator, it becomes 4 by 1, and then power will be now not minus 2 but plus 2. Next, minus 3, as the power is perfect, it is not a negative, it is positive power, but now your target should be looking at the denominator of the power, that is 3, decide for 8. So 8 is the cube of 2. So when 3 will come here, then this 2 by 3, this 3 and 3 will cancel. So very important, we want a positive power, and second thing, if we have fractional power, we want to remove the fraction also in the power. So these two things are very important, these questions. Into anything to the power 0 is 1, plus again minus power, make it a plus power, that is by interchanging numerator and denominator. So power became positive. Now the good thing about this part is that there is no fractional power, it is 4 square. So 4 square is very easy, it is 16, and 1 square is 1, but in the denominator 1 has no value, so no need to simplify it. Minus 3 into, this is 2 square now, and 2 square is 4. So I can write 4 here in the bracket. If you don't prefer bracket, then multiplication symbol you can put and write into 4. And again into 1 also is here, plus now you can see it's a fractional power. So looking at this 2, decide for 16 and 9 and try to make it also a square. So 16 is a square of 4, 9 is a square of 3. So you can write 4 square, 3 square, and into the same power 1 by 2. 2 will cancel. Now 16. Now multiply these three numbers. 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are minus 12, plus now 4 by 3 power is 1, so it will be number itself 4 by 3. Now first of all, these two numbers are the numbers which we can subtract. So 16 minus 12 you subtract, it is 4 plus 4 by 3. So one is non-fractional, one is fractional. So in such case we have to do LCM. I have told in my previous video that fraction numbers should be always added or subtracted with the help of LCM. So here I write my LCM as 3, because there is below this there is 1. 1 and 3's LCM is 3. Now 1 3's are 3. How many is are? 3's are. That 3 4's are 12. Plus 3 1's are 3. How many is are? 1's are. 1 into 4 is 4. Next, here I will write 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 by 3. So the remaining part you can do like this also. 16 and 3 you can divide here also, directly also you can write. 3 5's are 15. So here we have 1. This 1 comes here and this 3 comes here. So my final answer will be 5 whole 1 by 3. This is correct. If somebody wants to write your answer here, this is also correct, no issue. So this was a very simple question, children. So once you start practicing these questions, let it be any type of question, you can solve it very easily, but the concept should be very crystal clear. Minus power, I will make it plus, and fractional power, looking at the denominator, I will break the number internal numbers accordingly. So these two concepts are very important. Rest, LCM, addition, subtraction, this is all the things we have been learning since long time. So thank you, children. So children, today I have come again with a new question, but today's question's concept will be a little bit different compared to last videos. So please be attentive and try to understand the basic concept of this question. So here I begin a question. Here I have a question, simplify, and my question is 6 into 8 to the power n plus 1. So you can see the power normally was having fraction or minus power, but today there is no fraction power, but in the power you are finding positive symbol. That means there are two elements, two numbers on the power in the form of addition. Plus 16 into 2 to the power 3n minus 2. So here we had plus power, here we have minus in the middle. Now minus in the middle, this is different thing. 10 into 2 to the power 3n plus 1. Again here also we have plus 1. And 7 into 8 to the power n, only power n. So in such type of questions you have to simplify and make the question very simple and the smallest answer. Simplify means make it simple, means small, make it small. It's a very large question, make it small. Now to simplify it, here I begin. What you do, all the numbers having this power n, wherever there is power n, you break it into the simplest form. Like 2 you cannot further break, 2 cannot be further simplified, but this 8 can become cube of 2. That means 8 can be simplified. That means you target to make all these numbers 2, 2, 2. 8 also will become 2, 2 is 2, fine, no issue, 2 is 2, fine. Here also 8 you make 2. That means try to make the base as 2. So 6 I write same and 8 I will write 2, but 8 I am writing 2 means it is the cube of 2. That means in place of 8 I will write 2 power 3, that means 2 cube. And outside power is n plus 1, you can put multiplication like this in the bracket and write n plus 1. So n plus 1 is same and 2 cube is 8, the 8 has become like this. Now plus 16 dot, the dot means multiplication, here no change, write same, 3n minus 2. Now 10 dot, here also 2 cannot be simplified, write same. Later on one more step will come up. 7 dot 8 you write as 2 cube because 8 is the cube of 2. So 2 cube, but here we have into n, that means power n. Okay, now all this base number has become 2, 2 and they are having the power as n. Now the next step is little bit very different. It may take time to understand, but I will try to make it understand. 6 into, now first of all you multiply this power. So 2, 3 into n, 3n, 3 ones are plus 3 and here plus 16 into, now break this 3n and minus 2 in 2 parts. That means what you write, 2 3n in one place into 2 minus 2. Now you can see this power 3n minus 2 have been divided into 2 parts. 3n is here and minus 2 is here. But in both the places the base 2 I wrote 2 times, because when I break it 2 places then the base 2 should come in both the places. For example, I want to give you one example here. Suppose if I have x3 into x2, I write x5. That means when I have x5, I can also break it into 2 places, x3 dot x2. That means if this number, this part can become this, then this part also can become this. That means you think I am here now and I am doing this. That means I am breaking a single power into 2 parts. So same thing, I am breaking a single number into 2 parts, but in the middle you should put multiplication. So 3n here and minus 2 here, and both the places this 2 will come. Just like the x came in both the places and 5 became 3 and 2, same thing, this 2 came in both the places but 3n here and minus 2 here. Now same concept you apply here also. 10 dot 2 power 3n dot 2 power 1. For minus we write minus, but for plus we don't write plus. So again same thing I did. So I will not take time now. I hope you understood. 7 dot, now this is only single number, so 2 power 3n, 3 into n is 3n. Now in these 2 places I have simplified, or I can say I have splitted the numbers into 2 parts, but here that work is remaining because of this multiplication I could not split it. Now you split it. So how you will split? Again same thing, 6 dot this 2 3n write in one place, and dot 2 power 3 you write in one place. So I have splitted now this one also. Now this plus you write same 16 dot 2 power 3n, and you can do one more thing. This negative power, to make it positive, you can write 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square. Why 2 square? Because to make it negative power a positive power, I have taken below this there is 1 I took up and 2 I brought down. This is the old concept which I have taught you in the previous video. So this is 1 by 2 square, 2 to the power 2, and here 10 dot 2 power 3 and write same, but 2 power 1 is 2 only, and minus 7 dot 2 power 3n. Now what you do, now very important part we are now, you can see what is common here. You can see 2 power 3n here, 2 power 3n here. So in both the places 2 power 3n is common. So what you do, take 2 power 3n as common. So what will remain inside? Here 6 will remain, and here 2 cube will remain. 6 and 2 cube will remain inside. 2 power 3n has come outside as a common. So you write the remaining 6 dot, achha 2 cube, you know it is 8. So you can put, now dot can be written multiplication also. So 2 cube has become 8, 6 into 8, and 2 power 3n is common. Plus here we have 16, 2 power 3n is outside. So here I will write 16 into, and 1 by 2 square means it is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square means it is 1 by 4. So after taking common, this is our result. Now here also you can see 2 power 3n, 2 power 3n is in both the places. 2 power 3n you take common. So what will remain inside? Here it will be 10 into, here will be 2. Minus 2 power 3n is outside, that means who is remaining here? Only 7 is remaining. Now you see 2 power 3n, 2 power 3n at the top numerator and at the down denominator, it will cancel because both are same, and here there is bracket means multiplication, so we can cancel. But when there is plus and minus in the middle, you cannot cancel these numbers, but here you can cancel because there is multiplication here. So now after cancellation, only the bracket work remains here. So simple. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. We have plus here, and here also this 4 is in the denominator, 16 is in the numerator. You can cancel it, and you can write it 4 4s are 16. So when you write 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 remains here, and here 10 2s are 20 minus only 7. So finally we are on the verge of our answer. So here 48 plus 4 is 52, 20 minus 7 is 13, and 13 4s is 52. So our final answer is 4. So children, little bit the video is long, but how to break these numbers when there is plus in the power, minus in the power, in this way, in the form of 2 elements, how to break and then how to take common is very important video. Please you rewind it and learn properly. Thank you children. So today again I have come up with a new question, but the concept of the last question and this question is same. So let us begin this question. So simplify 4 to the power 2n and 2 power n plus 1, and here 2 power n minus 3, and here 4 power 2n plus 1. So our first duty is to make all the base same. Like here we have 2, here we have 2, but here we have 4 and 4. So what you do, make this 4 as base 2. That means like 4 can become square of 2. So you write 4 as 2 square. Then what will happen? All the numbers will be as 2 in the base. So this is 4 becomes 2. So you write 2 square, and here already we have 2n in the power. So this 2 is a new power and 2n is the old power. Dot, here you write same 2n plus 1. Later on we will further split up. here 2n minus 3, same thing you write, and here as 4 you can write 2 square, and the earlier we had here 2n plus 1 as the old power, same thing you write. Now first of all you multiply all the powers. 2 power 2 to the 4n, because the two powers, interior power and exterior power, both can multiply. So it is now 2 to the 4n dot 2 power n plus 1, same thing I wrote here. 2 power n minus 3, same thing I wrote here. Here also you multiply these two powers. 2 power 2 to the 4n, 2 plus 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2. So now it's time to split up to those parts where the power is having either plus or minus in the middle. So this cannot be splitted further, but this can split further, this can split further. So do that work now. So what you do, write 2 power 4n same, but here you split up 2 power n dot 2 power 1. So n came here and 1 plus 1 came here, and here also split up 2 power n dot 2 power minus 3. So power n came here, minus 3 came here, 2 we wrote 2 times, and already we have dot here. Here also you split up 2 power 4n dot 2 power 2. 4n came here and this 2 power 2 came here. So after doing this, as you all know children, here we have all multiplication. You see in the middle everywhere it is multiplication. So similar numbers can be cancelled this way. No need to take common. When we take common, had there been plus in the middle, then 2 sections, then take common. But here nothing to take common because there is multiplication in the middle. So same number we can cancel. So I can see this one also can be cancelled. 2 power n, 2 power n. Now others, what you do, like 2 power 1, but it is 2 square. These numbers you can rewrite here and then further you can simplify. So 2 power 1 is 2 only, because anything power 1 is same. So 2 power 1 is 2. But this 2 minus 3, 2 power minus 3, you can write 1 by 2 cube, because minus power, to make it positive, denominator and numerator changes. So below 2 there is 1, so 1 by 2 cube. And dot means multiplication, also you can write 2 square. 2 square is 4. So what you do now, 2 by 1 by 2 cube means 8. 8 into 4. So 4 to the 8. So what do we have now here? We have 2 by 1 by 2. Here 2 and here 1 by 2. So what you can do, you can write 2 into, that means this by you are making it into. So when you make this by as into, this lower part, numerator and denominator will change. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. It is taught in the previous classes also. When any division by symbol you make it multiplication, the lower part, numerator and denominator interchange. So the lower part, numerator and denominator went up and numerator came down. This is the interchange. Now 1 at the base has no value, so 2 to the 4 is our answer. So this is our simplification. So simple. So practice this question, children. Thank you, children. So class 9 children, welcome to today's online class. So today I have come with the same chapter, indices, but today's question is very different compared to the last other videos. So today my question is solve. Solve means you have to find the value of unknown variable. So in this question you can see the unknown variable is x, and x is in the form of power. So x is not in the base, it is in the power. So that means there is some technique in this question. So what is the technique? I am going to explain regarding that. So you can see here we have question number 1, 2 power x plus 1, and here my right hand side is 4 power x minus 3. So what you do in such type of questions where there is power x and I have to get the value of that power x, then what you do, you try to make the base same. Base means like 2 is base here, 4 is base here. So you try to make both the base same. as you cannot further simplify 2, but 4 can be written as 2 square. So that way what will happen, here also, here I have 2 and here also I will get 2. So I will make this 4 as 2. That means my target is to make both the base same. So let 2 be the same and the power also be same. But here 4 you can write 2 square. So you write 2 square, and already here we have x minus 3 in the power. So now what happens, both the base are same. So according to the law of indices, when both the base are same on left hand side and right hand side, the power can be written equal. That means when base are same in the left hand side and right hand side, then both the power are equal. So that means now you can remove this base and directly write power equal. That is x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. Children, I will repeat once again. When the base in the left hand side and right hand side become equal, then remove the base in the next step and write both the power at the top equal. Just the way I have done here. Like you can see, both the power I wrote equal because base are same. Now x plus 1, here you multiply 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3 ja 6. Now you know we have to find the value of x. Solve means you have to find the value of x. So make x one side and number one side. That is, x is in the correct place. Bring this 2x here. It will become minus 2x because plus becomes minus. So minus 6 is in the correct position. Take this plus 1 that side. It will become minus 1. Next, x minus 2x is minus x. Very easy. One is plus, the other is minus. So we have to subtract. So 2 and here is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 we don't write. And for x we have to write x. So it is minus 1x equal to minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So now you can cancel minus both sides. So our final answer is x equal to 7. So solve means value of x, that is 7. First question I have done here. Second question. You can see here, same concept. I have to find the value of x, and x is on the top in the power. So this is 2, and 8 also can become the cube of 2. So I will write 8 as 2 cube and 2 I will write in the same way. So here 2 and power is 5x plus 3. No change in the left hand side, but here 8 I will write 2 cube. So I will write 2 cube and my remaining power is same, that is x plus 3. So x plus 3 is my old power, and this cube came because 2 cube is 8. So now I can again write both the base are same. So when base are same in the left hand side and right hand side, then power is equal. So power is equal means now I can write 5x plus 3 first power, and second power is 3x plus 3. So now power is equal. Now the left hand side I will write same, and here I will multiply. It will become 3x plus 9. 3 3s are 9. Next, x one side, number one side, 5x, and this 3x will come, then minus 3x here, and 9 is in the plus, so write 9 here, and this is minus 3 going to the right hand side from left hand side. So now my result is 5x minus 3x is 2x, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So x equal to 6 by 2, because this is multiplying here, comes here and divides. So 2 3s are 6. Therefore x will be equal to 3 is my answer. So one more question I have done here, children, little bit advanced question but very simple. So children, you can see here 5 by 7, and here you can see 125 by 343. So very easy, children, very easy. Here 5 by 7 is my base, and 125 also is cube of 5. 125 is cube of 5. That means it is 5 here. Here also it will become 5 cube, and 343 is cube of 7. So that means this is going to become 5 by 7. But here power is minus 1. Now here we will not target to make power as positive, but here we will target to make base same. That means here the concept is very different compared to the last other videos, because here we don't target power, we target base, and when base are equal, then we have to come on the power. So now my first duty, I should do one thing. Here there is root over, here there is no root over. So what you do, you try to remove this root over, and I have told you children in this chapter, to remove root over you need to write 1 by 2 on the power. Then when you write 1 by 2 in the power, root over is removed. So I will write 5 by 7, and to remove root over I am going to write 1 by 2. So by writing 1 by 2, my root over is removed, and already the old power is x minus 1. 1 by 2 came just now to remove root over, but x minus 1 is the old power. And here, as just now I told you, it is the cube of 5 by 7. This is the cube of 5, this is the cube of 7. So I will write 5 by 7 cube, and my old power is minus 1. So minus 1 I wrote in the bracket. So this 3 and minus 1 will multiply, and here 1 by 2. So now both base is equal. When base are equal, power is equal. So now I can write 1 by 2 x minus 1. This power is equal to the other power. 3 ones are 3, but minus 3. 3 ones are 3 and minus 3. Now you can do one thing. This 2 will cross multiply with minus 3. So our result will be multiplying with 1 is same. X minus 1 multiplying with 1 is same, and this 2 will cross multiply with minus 3, and it is minus 6. So now I have to find the value of x. So x equal to minus 1 will go that side, it will become plus 1, and finally the x is equal to minus 5. This is our answer, because minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So children, I have discussed 3 questions, and you saw here what I have done. I have always targeted to make the base same, and then I have written power equal, and then I have solved the value of x. That is, I have found the value of x. I hope children you understood. Thank you children. Class 9 children, welcome to today's online class. So today we are again going to discuss the chapter indices, and the questions are related with the solve. That means solve means you have to find the value of unknown variable, and you can see in this question the unknown variable is x here. That means you have to find the value of x. So I have already discussed in my last video that when x is on the power, at the power, then our first target is to make the base same on the left hand side and right hand side. So let us start this question children. So what I will do, this 4 and here there is 32. So 4 and 32 both can become the power of 2. That means 4 is 2 square and 32 is 2 power 5. When you multiply 2 5 times, it is 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 16 to the 32. So what you do, first of all you remove this cube root. So to remove cube root, you write 4 and write 1 by 3. I have said in my formula list, when there is cube root, you have to write power 1 by 3, cube root is removed. When there is square root, you write 1 by 2 power, the root over is removed. So here this cube root is removed because I wrote 3 as 1 by 3, and my external power already available is 2x plus 1 by 2. This is my old power, and here as 4 is in the numerator but 32 is in the denominator, so one in the numerator, the other in the denominator will not work. Both of them have to be in the same position. So that's why you bring this 32 from denominator to the numerator and write 32, but 1 will go down. So numerator came down and denominator went up, interchanged. But when this activity takes place, incident takes place, your power will change. Power will change means positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So here there is no power in the question. That means there is power 1. So that power 1 was not visible. It was a positive power but not visible. So but positive power you don't write, no issue, but when by interchanging what happened, that plus power became minus power. So minus power should be visible. So I wrote plus 1 as minus 1 because of interchanging of numerator and denominator. Now children, first what you do, you can make it 2 square now only, but before that I want to just simplify the power. So you can do one more thing, you write 2 square now only, you write 4 as 2 square and this you write into 1 by 3 and here you do LCM in the internal power. So when you do LCM, this is 2 and this one 2 to the 4x, after LCM 4x plus 1. That means I have done LCM and simplified this 2x plus 1 by 2. I made single by and then I have simplified. This is power children, and here equal to you write, and 32 you can write 2 power 5 because 2 you multiply 5 times, it is 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. That means 32 is 2 power 5. So 32 I wrote 2 power 5. Base 1 has no value and into minus 1 is already available before only. So that minus 1 I wrote here. Now here arrow 2, what you can do, you can write 2 ones are 2. That means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into, you can write in the bracket 4x plus 1 by 2. So finally what will happen children? This 2 will cancel. It is in the power but they can simplify and can cancel. And here you can write 2 power 5 ones are 5 but minus 5. So now children, you can see here both side base is 2 2. You see 2 2. So when base in the left hand side and right hand side are same, you can remove the base and write power equal. So we will remove this base and we will write power equal. So here what is the power? Power is 4x plus 1 and this is 3 in the denominator, you can write by 3 like this also. Like here nothing remaining means 3 ones are 3. So base, our denominator is 3 and 4x plus 1 is numerator and is equal to minus 5. So from here you can find the value of x now. Very easy. It's time to cross multiply. 4x plus 1 will cross multiply with 1 and 4x plus 1 and equal to 5 3s are 15 but minus 15. Next 4x equal to minus 15 and this minus plus 1 will become minus 1. So I will do this side. So you can see children 4x. So this 4x went there and minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16. Minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16. So x equal to minus 16 by 4. This 4 will come and divide. And finally x equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So minus 4 is our answer. So solve means find the value of x and value of x is minus 4. Class 9 children, let us discuss one more question from the chapter indices. So here one more question, solve. That means you have to find the value of unknown variable. So our unknown variable, you can see this is x in the power, you have to find the value of x. So to find the value of x as it is in the power form, our base our the down portion base should be same. But you can see it is p by q, here it is q by p. So little bit like numerator and denominator problem is there. You can see p by q here, but here q by p. So had this p be on the top and q at the bottom, that is at the base, then what will happen? P by q will be equal. So what we will do? We will keep this p by q same, but this q by p we will change p by q. And you know when numerator and denominator are changed, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So let us do this question. Very easy question children. So I want to remove this root over from here. So I have told you in my previous video that whenever we remove root over, we can write power 1 by 2. So by writing power 1 by 2, root over is removed. Next, as I just now told, here we have p by q, here also I want p by q. So to make it p by q, what happened? P went on the top and q came at the base. That means numerator and denominator changed. So when numerator and denominator change, positive power becomes negative and negative power becomes positive. So here you can see 1 is positive power, 2x is negative power. So this negative power will become positive power. So write positive power first, and 1 is positive power, this will become negative power. So what I did, minus 2x I wrote plus 2x, plus 1 I wrote minus 1. It all happened because of interchanging. Now very easy children, base are equal, p by q. So we can write power equal. So 1 by 2, this is power of this side, and 2x minus 1 is the power of right hand side. Now we have to find the value of x. X is in the wrong side. What you do, you cross multiply this 2x minus 1 with 2 first, and then this 1 with the below this 1. This 1 you multiply in the second step. So first one, 2 2s are 4x, 2 1s are minus 2 equal to 1 1s are 1. So we will be getting our answer now. So our answer now, 4x equal to minus 1, minus 2 going that side will become plus 2. So finally 4x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 4 by 3. This is our answer. So one more thing also you can do, if you want to write this as answer, no issue. And if somebody wants to write x equal to, by dividing 4 by 3 as 1 whole 1 by 3, this is also correct. So both the answers are correct. So children, I hope you understood. Very easy question children. To make power equal, first make base equal. That is the concept of this chapter. Thank you children. Hello class 9 children, welcome to today's online class. So today we will be again doing chapter indices, and the question also is same, solve, but the questions are different. So let us try to find the solution of this question. So solve means, you all know, is to find the value of unknown variable, and in this question the unknown variable is x, and the x is at the power. So what we will do, we'll try to find the value of x. So here we have a question and my solution starts. 2 cube is 8. Anything power 0 is 1, plus 3 power 2x, write it same. And here this is a mixed fraction, we will make it improper fraction. So 27 and 8 will multiply. So 27 and 8 will multiply. The result is 216, and we have to add 8 on it. So after adding 8 on it, our result is 224. So 224 by 27. Next, this 8 will go and divide here, because 8 is multiply here, so it will go and divide. So our remaining elements will be 1 plus 3 to the power 2x, and here 224 by 27, and this 8 also will come and divide here, and it will multiply with 27 because already 27 is in the denominator. So now you can further cancel these two numbers. So here I can say 8 to the 16. So 8 to the 16, and then we have 64. 8 8 the 64. So now slowly now this 1 also will shift that side. Only 3 power 2x will remain. So this 1 will go and subtract there. Here we have 28 by 27, and this 1 will become minus, because this 1 is in the addition form, going that side means it will become minus form. Now children, you write 3 power 2x, and here you subtract with the help of LCM. So our LCM will be 27, because there is nothing means 1. So 1 and 27 LCM is 27. The upper part will be, the numerator part will be 28 minus 27 ones are 27. Next, 3 power 2x equal to 1 by 27. So now children, we have come to a very important point. Now what you have to understand, to make power equal, the base has to be equal. So its base is 3, and this 27 also can become cube of 3, but here 3 is at the numerator and here 27 is in the denominator. So what you do, you try to make this 27 in the numerator. So what you know, you all know children, that when anything from denominator goes up and becomes numerator, and numerator comes down and becomes denominator, what happens? Power changes. That is, positive power becomes negative and negative power becomes positive. So that particular formula will apply. So here we will write same 3 power 2x same, and here 1 by 27 you write 27 by 1. So because of interchanging numerator and denominator, the positive power will become negative power. Because there is no power means there is 1. So that plus 1 became minus 1. Next, 3 power 2x and 27 also is 3 cube, and 1 at the denominator has no value. So 3 cube you write, and multiplied the old power is minus 1. Plus 1 has not much importance, but there is, when there is minus 1, you should mention it. Now you know children, both the base are equal, then power also is equal. So our first power is 2x and our second power is 3 ones are 3 but minus 3. Now x equal to minus 3 by 2. So finally I can write x equal to minus 1 whole 1 by 2. So you can leave your answer here as well as here, both are correct. Children, let us discuss one more very important question from this section. So we have another question solved. So here you can see 8 to the power 0 plus 2 by 3 root over. So there is root over in the question, equal to 0.6 to the power 2 minus 3x. So here you can see x is unknown variable. You have to find the value of x, that is the solve. Okay, now what you do, I have taught you in my formula list, to remove root over, I have to put 1 by 2 in the power, then root over is removed. So what you do, you write 8 power 0 as 1, anything to the power 0 is 1, plus 2 by 3, but I want to remove this root over. So to remove root over, I am going to put 1 by 2 at the top in the power. So by writing this 1 by 2, the root over has been removed. Now this decimal number you make it fractional, because this side we have fractional number, here we have decimal number. So the question is not balanced. So to make it balanced, you write 0.6 as 6 by 10, because after decimal there is one number. So to remove decimal we have to write 10. Had there been 2 numbers, we divide by 100. Had there been 3 numbers, we divide by 1000, and so on. And its power is 2 minus 3x. So this, both the number can be further simplified. So we can write it 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Next, what you do, you do LCM here in the bracket portion. So when you do LCM, 3 is LCM. So our numerator part will be 3 ones are 3 plus 2, and our power is 1 by 2, equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2 minus 3x. Next, our result will be 5 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and equal to, same you write, or you can do one more thing. As you can see children, here our result is 5 by 3, and here my fraction is 3 by 5. So why don't you make this fraction also 5 by 3? So when you write 5 by 3, what happened here, children? The denominator became numerator and numerator became denominator. So when such activity takes place, what I have told, the plus power will become minus, minus power will become plus. So this minus 3x will become plus 3x and plus 2x will become minus 2x. Now when the base is same, power will be equal. So I can write 1 by 2 equal to 3x minus 2. Both power is equal now. Now what you do, children, you have to find the value of x. So you cross multiply this 2 with 3x and minus 2. So cross multiply with this and 1 will cross multiply below this, there is 1. 1 1s are. So first we start with 2. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 2s are 4 and equal to 1 1s are 1. So now you can find the value of x. 6x, this minus 4 will become plus 4. Next 6x equal to 5. Next finally x equal to 5 by 6. So this is our answer. So I hope, children, you have understood the solve portion. So finally I want to just give you a conclusion. 3 types of question in this chapter is very important. The first one is evaluate, second one is simplify, and third one is solve. So these 3 types of question, evaluate, simplify and solve. These 3 types of question I request you to learn from this chapter. Thank you, children.